Lockdown. This is the powerful tale of 14-year-old Reese Anderson, who has spent 22 months in a tiny cell at a progress center. Living in fear and isolation, Reese begins looking within himself to find a way out of the prison system. When I first got to Progress, it freaked me out to be locked in a room and unable to get out. But after a while, when you got to thinking about it, you knew nobody could get in either. It seems as if the only progress that's going on at Progress Juvenile Facility is moving from juvy jail to real jail. Reese wants out early, but is he supposed to just sit back and let his friend Toon get jumped? Then Reese gets a second chance when he's picked for the work program at a senior citizen's home. He doesn't mean to keep messing up, but it's not so easy at Progress or in life. One of the residents, Mr. Hooft, gives him a particularly hard time. If he can convince Mr. Hooft that he's a decent person, not a criminal, maybe he'll be able to convince himself. Check it out on Sora.